a little easier. Yeah, I think once I reach the grapevine, it's been disconnecting. So I can see when it disconnects. I'm aware of it. So, you know, this is only the first time I'm trying it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I lowered the resolution down a little bit. This guy wants some more. Okay, we'll get him some more. Just gonna grab this. A couple of these guys. Come here, bud. Come here, Braveheart. There you go. I gotta fill up his cup. That's what he really wants. He wants his cup filled. So. Go ahead and get him situated. Hi, bud. I can fill up your cup. You're okay with that? See? Not a care in the world. Look at his face. He loves me. Anyway, we're going to try walking in the back again and see what was, come on. Sorry for the zoom out. That's the beaver bowl, if anybody wants to know. There is the bird bath, and you can see it is quite struggling. So we're going to go add a little bit more to get that heating element, come on, heating element under control, so we can keep the water warm. I hopefully have a full gallon of that. And I leave that here on the ground. Yeah, it's pretty full. And then what I can do too is once I get another phone, I won't trade this in, and I might be able to use this for the for this bird bath here. So this will be cool. I could just put like a tripod here or something and just run it, leave it at 4K. It's got a connection. See, this heating element was completely above water. So in a little while, a few hours, that should all loosen up and become a liquid again. Alright, so if I lose you guys on this point, I'm not going to spend too much time out here because, you know, it's like 10 degrees outside. Even if I am in my shorts. So, just take a little glimpse of the day. The sun's way up there. It's clear. Kind of nice. Can check out the hot tub. Make sure that the tub's got enough chemicals on there, guy. Oh, she hot. Oh, she's hot. Hey, I didn't know you were going to be doing a little hot tub maintenance with me, right, today? Come on. That is zoomed out. Okay. Drop one of these little tablets. Drop that in there. And we'll close that up. Alright, head back outside. I am still technically outside. Alright, hands and gloves. So, if I do lose you, I'm going to try to walk over there, but if I do lose you, I lose you. You know, there's not much I can do about that. The signal says it's good right now. Maybe it's just not strong enough for both video and audio. It was running at 4K resolution before. I dropped it down to 1080p. And I think that's all you need for a quarter of a screen on 4K is 1080. So upper right hand corner when you're looking at the three I don't know why it does. Guaranteed. This was one of the reasons why I wanted this. Well, I guess you can see the feeder in a different angle now. See the downy? He's just hanging out there, just enjoying himself. Oh, and the red belly showed up. Well, that was perfect timing. Cool. Alright, well, it's definitely cold. This little device around the neck actually does work quite well. If I figure out where I can get a little bit more range out of it, I'd be happy. But that's really it. It's a new little thing to tinker. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. I'll see you in the chat. Worked out pretty good, and I'll review the footage once I get inside. Alright guys, take care. My battery died. Nice.